Hi guys, my name is Alex and today we're gonna create the first website mockup. So we're gonna do from this to this. So let's get started. First, we open up Photoshop and from there we import a photo. Teaching, here is the photo, we're gonna import it. Loading. Yeah, we have a pretty big photo. We press Command Alt I, we make it smaller. Let's make it 3000 so we can work faster. Okay, we press Command or Control 0 so we have a fit to view. So let's get started. We have a screen. Here you're gonna place your website. How to do that? Here you can click the U button and select a rectangle. You can make it how big you want, and after that here on the right the width we're gonna 9020 and 1080. That's the resolution of the screen. So we have it. After this you right click it here, convert to smart object, double click your design here. After that you double click it, you create a new layer. We can delete this one and press Alt backspace. We have a black square. Press Command S or Ctrl S to save it, and we can close it with Command and W or Ctrl W on the Windows, and we have it over here. Press the V key. We have our screen. Now we have to fit our screen to the display. Press Command T on the Mac and Ctrl T on Windows. Make it smaller, and now by holding the Ctrl key or the Command key on the Mac, you place the corners to the screen like that, roughly. Now we can zoom in by holding down the Alt key and going on the scroll. Yes, if you really want to see it, you can lower the opacity so you see what's there. So let's fit it more perfectly. Something like that. Okay. Command, click, hold, zoom out, zoom in. Yep. That's it. So we have our screen. You click enter or you click here like confirm. See, we have small edges. We can make it a little bit bigger. I don't know if something like this. Very tiny small adjustments. Click OK. Now back up the opacity. We have very sharp edges. So what we have to do is Command and click on the icon. See, it's gonna select it, and we click select, modify, feather, and let's feather it with 4 pixels. Yeah. Command Z, let's feather it with 3. Feather, let's make it 2. Let's make it 3. Okay, and now nothing have changed. Now you have to make a mask around this. See, when I click this, everything is smoother. Yeah, but maybe we have to make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, I don't know what's happening over here. But okay, we have the screen. Let's import our print screen with our website. I'm scrolling to the programs with Alt and Tab. See, here is Photoshop. I open it. I can place it in the middle, or I can place it anywhere, and after that I press Command A to select the entire screen, and you have to be on the move arrow, and now I can center it from here. Command D to deselect on the Mac, Control D to deselect on the Windows, and we have, and now I click Save and Exit, and look what we have here. And now, to adjust the colors, we're gonna create a black and white adjustment layer. If you don't see your adjustments, you click Windows, Adjustments, and this is gonna pop up, and from there you search for black and white, and you see this is too contrasty. This is more pale, more I don't know how to say, but to make it match, under this we can create a levels curve and hit Alt and Auto, and this is going to pop up. We click Find Dark and Light Colors. First, let's hit Cancel. Here we have to work not on the mask but on the adjustment. We can delete the mask. Yes, okay. So we have just that. Click Alt again, Auto. This is gonna pop up, Find, and now we're gonna search for the dark colors. See? Hey, I don't know what's happening. But yeah, shadows. These are the shadows. Click OK, and whites. What is the whitest part over here? Let's say this is it. Okay, okay, okay. It's gonna ask you this question. To set the default colors, you say no. And now these levels, you only want to affect your design, not everything. So you hit the Alt key, see that little arrow, and click between the layers, and it's gonna just affect just that layer. See? Let's see how it looks. This is a full color. It's not matching. You can see it's not matching with the other color. This is so vivid, so colorful. But with this, it's blending in more. Maybe give it a little bit more white. So I think this is it. Maybe we can, to make it even more realistic, we can create this glare. Above this layer, we can delete this black and white with the backspace key, create a layer, and now with the selection, select a bigger part over here, and now to deselect, you select the polygonal lasso tool, and now you try to move along. You see, when I press the Alt key, we get the minus near my cursor, and I click, and I try to go. See, if I click here, if I press the Delete key, I'm gonna go back, and from here we try to go to with this line, this and this line. So this and this, yeah, that looks right. And if you want to close it, you press the command and a circle is going to appear there, and you press, and now that's deleted. Now we go to the gradient tool, and with the gradient you select a white to a transparent white. What does it mean? the above icon, you can select the opacity. Opacity is how much light is going through. See, here is 0 and here is 100. 100 is no light can pass through. Down you select the color. It's click, you just select white, and here is the same. See, you click OK, and now let's try to create that. See, we have a gradient to transparency. And now with Command D we deselect, and after that, if we want to see these only inside our screen, we again hold out the Alt key and click down. See? And to be even more realistic, this is too strong, we lower the opacity. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.